One can review the capabilities of battleship Sovetsky Soyuz as a tactical combat unit by comparing her with similar ships being designed in other countries at the time. The only similar ship that was actually built was Iowa. The British Lion and German H-class battleships, like Sovetsky's Soyuz, were never built. With respect to her size and displacement, Sovetsky's Soyuz was larger than the British Lion and was comparable with US and German battleships. However, she had much better armor than other battleships. Regarding her primary armament, all of these ships were equipped with 9 406mm guns, except for H-39, which should have had 8 guns. The main advantage of the guns installed on Sovetsky's Soyuz was the higher initial shell velocity, which provided a high degree of armor penetration and firing accuracy at short and medium distances. That's extremely important for the conditions of bad visibility that are quite common for the Baltic and North Seas. Moreover, the firing range of the Soviet guns was greater compared to the guns of Iowa and Lion, taking into account that Sovetsky's Soyuz had been designed primarily to act within boundary waters. She was inferior to other ships in terms of her speed characteristics.